In this video, I'll show you how to install car mods in GTA 5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so if you want to add real-life cars, supercars, GDM cars, or completely custom vehicles to GTA 5, installing car mods is actually pretty straightforward once you understand how the game's files work. There are two main ways car mods are installed. You can either replace an existing GTA 5 vehicle or install a car as an add-on, which gives you a completely new vehicle without removing the original. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to set everything up, explain the difference between replace and add-on vehicles, and then walk you through installing both types of car mods. Before we get started, take note that mods are for story mode only. Do not launch GTA Online with your modded game files. Alright, to start, let's download all of the dependencies so everything works correctly and doesn't crash your game. The first one is going to be Scribbook V. This is really important. You can go to the official website. I'll put the link in the description for all of the files we're going to download. And once you're here, just click download and save it somewhere in your PC. By default, it'll go to your downloads folder. So just hit save and the download will start. The next thing we also need to avoid crashes is Heap Adjuster. Also put the link in the description. So now just hit download and hit download again and save it on your PC. Next, there will be Pack File Limit Adjuster. You're going to download it as well and save it on your PC. And lastly, FW Box Streamer. Let's download this and hit download again and save it as well. After you finish downloading, you'll have all of the files we need: Scribbook V, File Limit Adjuster, FW Box Streamer, and Heap Adjuster. Now to install them, you also need your GTA 5 main directory. If you don't know where, you can go to this path on the screen, which is the default location of GTA 5. So if you install the game on the default location, you'll find it there. Now all of the files we have is in a zip file, so we need to extract them first. You can do that with WinRAR or 7-zip, but if you're on Windows 11, you can extract it right away. You can just right click on the zip file, select extract all, and hit extract. Now you'll have it in the folder. So let's go ahead and extract all of the zip files. Pack File Limit Adjuster, gonna extract this, FW Box Streamer, and Heap Adjuster. Alright, we have extracted all of them, and now we can remove the zip file. So now let's start by installing Scribbook V. Let's open up the folder, and here we want to go to the bin folder, and then what you need here is X input, Scribbook V, and the input 8. So select these three, and you're going to drag and drop it into your GTA 5 main directory, just like that, and Scribbook V is installed. Now let's go back and install Pack File Limit Adjuster. Let's open up the folder. Inside it, you'll have Pack Limit Adjuster SI and INI. Let's select these two, and we're going to drag and drop it into GTA 5 main directory as well. There we go. Let's do the same for FW Box Streamer. You're going to select all of the files, and we're going to drag and drop it into GTA 5 main directory, just like that, and that's done. And lastly, Heap Adjuster. I'm going to select Heap Adjuster SI and INI, and drag and drop it into your GTA 5 directory, just like that. Now, all of the dependencies is installed, and we can start installing the car mods. Alright, to download car mods, you can go to GTA5mods.com. I'll put the link in the description. And once you're here, you can go to the vehicle section, just click here, and you'll see a bunch of car mods that you can download and install. So one thing to note here is how you're going to install it. So if it says add-on, it means you're going to install it as a DLC. If it says replace, it means that you're going to replace a vanilla GTA 5 car for this car mods. So now you can scroll through and look for the one that you like. For this video, I'll install two car mods. The first one is going to be Ferrari 296 GT3. This is an add-on, and also it looks great on the picture. I'll also put the link in the description if you want to download this particular car. Now let's go ahead and download this car. And the second car we're going to install is Toyota GR GT. This one is available for add-on and replace. And for this video, we're going to install it as a replacement mod. I'll also put the link in the description for this car if you want to download it. But for now, let's just download it and save it on our PC. Alright, now to actually install the car mods, we'll need OpenIV. You can go to OpenIV.com to download it. And once you're here, just hit download now and save it on your PC as well. After you finish downloading, go back to your downloads folder, and now you'll have your car mods and also OpenIV setup.exe. So first we need to install OpenIV. You can double click on the exe file. It'll open up the installation menu, select English and hit continue, and it will prepare some necessary files. You can read the end user license agreement and check I accept if you agree. Here you don't need to change anything, just hit continue, and it'll ask you to download some necessary files. It's 20 megabytes. Just hit yes, and it'll start downloading and installing OpenIV on your PC. After the installation is complete, you can close the setup and you can launch OpenIV. The first time you launch it, you'll see this menu. You're going to select GTA 5 Windows, and then it will ask you for your GTA 5 install location. We already have it here, so we just need to copy the path. And right click, hit copy, and go back to OpenIV, go to browse, and then we're going to paste the path. Press enter, and we can hit select folder. Now it will successfully detect GTA5.exe. Hit continue again, and it will launch OpenIV. Alright, we're inside OpenIV now, and the first thing you need to do is to enable edit mode. So on the top right, you can click edit mode. There will be a warning, just hit yes. And then you want to go to the top right, and go to ASI Manager. Here you need to download ASI Loader, open ib.asi, and open camera. After you've done all of that, you can close this, and then we need to create a mods folder. So let's go back to GTA 5 main directory. Here I already have a mods folder, and if you don't have this folder yet, you can just create a new folder, name it mods, and then you're going to copy the entire update folder. So just right click on the update folder, copy, go to the mods folder, and then paste it here. Just like that, okay? All right, let's start installing the car mods. First, we need to extract these files. Just like before, we're gonna right-click, extract all, and we're gonna do the same for Toyota GR-GT. Right-click, extract all, and hit extract. Let's remove the zip file. And now let me show you how to install a car mod. As an add-on. So here we're going to install Ferrari 296. Let's open up the folder. If there is a README file in your car mods, make sure to open it because inside it, it'll tell you what to do and where to install the mods. But here, I'll just go ahead and install it. We're going to go to V2.1 folder. Okay, there's two folders. There's Carbon and Default. So this is basically variation. And here, I think we're going to install both of them as an add-on. Let's start with Default. You'll have the car mods folder. So if you open it up, there will be a DLC.rpf inside it. Now to install it on OpenIV, you want to go to the mods folder and then update x64 and then DLC packs. So this is where you put all of your add-on car mods. Now with that being said, you can just drag and drop it into the DLC packs folder like that. Make sure it's there. There we go. And after you install the car mods folder, we need to add it into the DLC list. So to do that, you can go back to mods and then go to update RPF, common data, and here look for a file called DLC XML. You're going to right click on it and select edit. Here you need to scroll down to the bottom and we're going to add a new line for the vehicle that we want to install. So what you can do is just select the last line and then you're going to copy it. Right click, hit copy, press enter, and then right click, hit paste. And now you're going to change the name to the exact name of the car mods folder. So in this case, it's SG296GT3. Here, I'm just going to copy it. Right click, hit copy, and then I'm going to paste it here. There we go. Now it should look like this. After you do that, you can hit save and the car mods is installed as an add-on. All right, now you know how to install the add-on. Let's move on and install a replacement mods. So we're going to install Toyota GR-GT. Let's open up the folder and then we're going to go to replace, of course. And here you'll have YFTs and YTD files. So once again, if there's install instructions or any README, make sure to read it. Here you'll know where to install it. So for the replacement mods, you want to go to mods and update x64, DLC packs. And here you're going to look for the latest patch days on your GTA 5 or the latest DLC. So if you scroll down, usually the one on the bottom is the latest patch days. Of course, not this one because this is the add-on car that we just installed. It's patch day G9 ACNG for me. Let's double click on that. And here you want to go to DLC RPF, x64, levels, GTA 5, and then vehicles.rpf. So this is the folder where you install all of the YFTs and YTD. Now let's go ahead and do that. We're going to replace a car called Vaca. Make sure you remember it because to spawn it, you're going to spawn this core instead. Let's drag and drop it into the DLC RPF. There we go. And the replacement mod is installed. As simple as that. Alright, after you install your car mods, to spawn it, you will need a trainer. And one of the best trainer to do that is Menu 2.0. I'll put the link in the description as well. And here, let's just go ahead and download it and install it on our GTA 5. Go back to your downloads folder, and now you'll have menus in a zip file. Need to extract this first. Right click, hit extract all, and hit extract. Now let's open up the folder. And here, what you need is menu stuff and menu.asi. Select these two and you're going to drag and drop it into your GTA 5 main directory like this. I need to replace it because I already installed it and menu trainer is installed. But before you launch your GTA 5, make sure you have disabled the Battle Eye or the anti-cheat of GTA 5. To do that on Rockstar Games, you can go to settings and here look for Battle Eye and you're going to uncheck this. So now you can go to GTA Online and risk getting banned. And after you do that, you can launch the game like normal. Alright, we're in the game now and let's see if we can spawn the car that we just installed. So because we installed menu as well, you can press F8 on your keyboard. And now you want to go to the vehicle options and then go to vehicle spawner. Here for the replacement car, you need to go search for the exact car that you replaced it. In my case, I was replacing a car called Vaca. So let me find it real quick. This is the one. Now we can press enter to spawn it. And there we go. We spawned Toyota GT3. Input the model. That's why I told you to remember the name of the car. So in my case, it's SG296 GT3. Let's press enter. There we go. Oh, it's a bit tight here. And we spawned the Ferrari. So that'd be it for this video. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.